Hi there students. In this video I'm going to look at the adjective kinetic, and then we're going to have the noun kinesis, and also the another noun kinesthesia. Okay, kinetic means moving. It's something related to moving. So, for example, in physics you have potential energy and kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is when something moves, it drops, it's in motion. So, kinetic related to kinesis. Anything kinetic is moving. So, for example, I'm a fan of kinetic sculpture or kinetic art. These are a kinetic sculpture, for example, a mobile, something that you hang from the ceiling and the different parts can move. That is an example of kinetic art. Okay, it's art in which something is able to move, a kinetic art form. Yeah, it has random movement to it. You have kinetic theory, which talks about the gases around us are full of particles in random motion. Okay, now kinesis. Kinesis is the movement of an organism in response to a stimulus. So, for example, you have a flower or a plant and the sun, and the plant moves according to the sun. Okay, so this is kinesis, this is photokinesis. But we could have, for example, telekinesis, where you use your mind, or use your mind to move something from one place to another. So all of those who believe in psychokinesis, raise my hand. Okay, you use your mind to make my hand go up. That would be psychokinesis. Okay, so kinetic, relating to motion. Kinetic art, depending on movement for its effect. Now, kinesthesia. This is something from poetry. Kinesthesia is using the words in a poem to make movement in the poem something that you can see. It's to depict the movement of something. So the water bubbling and jumping and leaping over the rocks. Here, this is kinesthesia. I'm explaining or showing to you the movement of the water. Or the thumping of his heart. This is kinesia, the heartbeat. Okay, so kinesthesia is where a writer conveys movement in their text, in their poetry, or in their literature, in their prose. Kinesthesia is actually the depicting feelings, but particularly to do with the movement. Yeah, the leaves dancing in the wind. This would be a type of kinesthesia as well. So, kinetic, something that is concerned with movement, something that is related to how things move. It's characterized by motion, related to motion. In physics, the exchange of kinetic and gravitational energy. Okay, so kinetic energy. Okay, kinetics. The movement of things. Kinetic art that involves movement in some way to explain itself. Kinetics, the study of the forces on things that are moving. Okay, so let's see. Kinetic as a noun, as an adjective, sorry. 6 informality, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Kinesis, 6.5 informality. Kinesthesia, 7.5 informality. And then all of this comes from ancient Greek kinetikos, puts in motion. Kineo, I move, I put in motion. So, kinetic, kinesis, kinesthesia.